In this video, I'll show you how to edit a field in Salesforce CRM step by step. To get started, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Open Advanced Setup to access the administration settings. Next, go to Object Manager. This is where you can manage different Salesforce objects and customize their fields. Now, search for the object where you want to edit a field, such as accounts, leads, opportunities, or any other object. For this tutorial, we'll use opportunity as an example. After selecting the object, navigate to Fields and Relationships. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the fields associated with that object. Search for the field you want to edit. Once you locate it, click on the field and then select Edit. On the Edit page, you can make various changes, including renaming the field, updating its label, adding or modifying a description, and adjusting other available settings based on your requirements. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save to apply the updates. And that's how you can edit a field in Salesforce CRM.